Well, Heidi there, Pluckers. Ivysaur Fingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting couple of lessons on a lovely song from Dr. Hook and the Medicine Show called Sharing the Night Together. Hopefully you've seen my playthrough I did a couple of days ago. If not, please check it out so you can see exactly what I'm hopefully going to try and show you. Okay, how to play. This is a single guitar arrangement that I've come up with. And I'm in standard tuning, capoed at the 2nd fret. Okay, we're playing it in the same key as the original version from Dr. Hook, which is the key of E. Okay, I'm doing the capo. It saves, reduces the number of bar chords we need, basically. Okay, makes fingering somewhat easier. So this is purely about the intro. So I'll just go through it slowly, and then we'll break it down for you. Okay. Into the first line of the verse. Okay, so what am I doing for this intro? I also played this as the outro on my arrangement because the original record fades out as they used to do in those days. Okay, so I did an ending using the intro. So starting off with a D chord. Okay, and the first phrase is this. Okay, so I'm playing the 4th string, the 3rd string, and then I'm going down to the top E string. Then I'm playing the 2nd string. Then I'm opening up the top E string, so the 2nd finger lifts off the chord, leaves the top E string open. You hit the top E string on its own and hammer into that 2nd fret. So you got, and then you play that 2nd string again, the 3rd fret B string. Okay. Then we go to 2nd chord is a B minor. I'll give you an option for this, but the way I play it is by B minor bar chord, 2nd fret bar from the capo, 3rd fret from the capo, 2nd string, 4th fret from the capo, with your 3rd finger and pinky on the 4th string and 3rd string there, D string and G string. And what I do for this is I play the 5th string, then the 4th string, then the top E string, then the 2nd string. Sorry. Then what I do is I lift up the bar, leave the rest of the fingers where they are. Just lift the bar up slightly so that opens up the top E string, hit the top E string, put the bar back so you get that hammer on again, and then the 2nd string again. So you got, so now you've got this. Now if you can't manage the bar chord, just play a simple B minor like that. 2nd fret from the top E string on the top E string there, from the capo, 2nd fret from the capo, 3rd fret from the capo, 2nd string with your 2nd finger, and then 3rd finger and pinky, 4th fret from the capo on the D string and the G string, and just do it this way. So in that one I'm doing 4, 3, and then the top E, that's right, then the 2nd string, and then again open up the top E string, lift your 1st finger, hit the top E string and hammer into the 2nd fret again, and then the 2nd string on the 3rd fret from the capo. So that's a simpler way of doing it. It's not quite the same, but it's not far off. Okay, so again slowly, first do it 2 ways. Or the other ways. third chord is a G, the way I do it is a G major 7th. 2 fingers. First finger is playing the 2nd fret of the top E string. Second finger is playing the 3rd fret from the capo on the bottom E string. Okay, and because of the way you normally automatically hold this, the back of this second finger will be resting on the 5th string, the A string, so it mutes it, which is fine. That's what you want. You want that 5th string muted. So when you hit all 6 strings, you don't hear the 5th string. Okay, but for this intro, what we do with it is, what I do is that I sort of hit the bottom E string, right, and then come up from the top E. So it's, so I go bottom E string, top E string, 2nd string, 3rd string. Then I open up the top E string again, and then do that sort of just a little minor strum. Just the top strings on that little strum. Okay, so that's up that way. So it's from the beginning again. Got that, or you could just use that simple B minor like I did before. Okay, so then we got this little double stop slide down. Alright, so I'll give you the real frets for ignoring the capo. So I'm on the 14th fret, and I'm just doing a small bar across the top 2 strings, top E and the B string, with my first finger, and I'm just playing these 2 strings. That's all I'm doing. And you hit those 2 and you slide it down 2 frets to the real 12th fret, right? Then release the pressure, so just lift the finger slightly, then put it back, and then so you're fretting that on the 12th fret, top 2 strings, hit those 2 and slide it down to the 9th, the real 9th fret. Okay, so you got, then you lift it again to kill it, so you got, and then put it back, hit those 2 on the 9th fret and slide off. Right, so you got, okay, this is a sort of slide off. Okay, then we come into the second phrase, which is the D again. Okay, but this time we're doing that sort of thing. So it's, you start off with the top E string open and hammer into it. Right? And then we do the same with the simple B minor this time. I'm not playing the bar chord, I'm playing the simple version. And then it's the same thing. You lift up the top E string open, first finger, and then strum and hammer into it. So it's like D, okay, then we do the G major 7th again, leaving the first finger off originally, like that, and then, okay, so you got, or you could do the second on the B minor. It's like B minor with the finger held, and then something like that, down, up, lift the finger and then hammer back into it. That's another way you could do it. So, alright, it's probably better that way, I think, actually. So originally just play the B minor, a couple of up down, and then an up, and then lift that finger, and then down, hammer in, right? So it's just as you feel it, really. You don't have to do it exactly like I did. Right, so now so far we've got this. Okay, then we do the G major 7th again. This time start it off with the finger off and go. So you start off with the first finger off and then strum, hammer in. Right? So it's okay. Then to finish it off we've got this little double stop. So that's 3rd fret, there's a 3rd and 2nd strings together, double stops. 3rd fret from the second on 2nd string from the capo, and 4th fret from the capo on the 3rd string, and then you sort of da on that one. So you slide that up 2 frets. So I'm now on the 5th fret from the capo on the 2nd string, 6th fret from the capo on the 3rd string. Right? You could also pluck it, rather, if you like that sound better than, it's subtle, but it's different. Where I'm playing the 3rd string with my pick, I'm plucking the 2nd string with my finger. Or you could just play with the pick down. Whichever, okay? Then we're going into the first line of the verse, which is part 2. Okay, so let's go through it again. Got the idea? It doesn't have to be exactly the same. You can put your whatever feel you want into that thing. It's just a feely thing. I mean, I'll probably never play exactly the same twice. So there we go. Okay, so there we have it, boys and girls. Hopefully that made sense to you, and you'll come back and join me for part 2 in a day or so. Okay, bye for now.